keeping an eye right there looking for spark. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're going to share with you the easiest way to test a coil. Okay guys, we're back with the 1982 Yamaha XT200, and you remember this was the one that had the wiring nightmare. We're going to test the coil. We do believe that the CDI is bad. We've tested it, we didn't get anything from it. Our coil, when we tested it with the multimeter, it came out on the upper end of the range, so I just want to test and see if it has fire, see if it'll spark, and I'll share with you how I'm going to do that, simply using a battery and a couple of leads. So let me go ahead and connect this thing and I'll show you. Okay, first thing we're going to do is connect the negative to the spark plug, and then we're going to connect the other end of the negative to the negative of the battery. The positive is going to go to the positive side of the battery, and then I've got another negative that I'm going to use to connect to the ground, which is right here to the ground. I'm not going to connect that just yet. And then I have my positive, which is going to connect to right here to the one wire coming out. If it's a two wire, just figure out which one is which. And so going right there, and then now I'm just going to take this one and keep an eye right on the spark, and then I'm just going to tap it to the battery here, and then I should be getting spark every time I let loose. Yep, you can see it sparking in there. There you go. You see it sparking. I do. Hope you're picking it up. Okay, let me do it one more time with the light off. Maybe it'll make it a little easier for you guys to see. Yep, plenty of spark right in there. You can do this on the bike or off the bike. I'll show you what it looks like, kind of setting it up off the bike. Okay, let me show you the setup. 6-volt battery, because this is a 6-volt coil. This is a coil just like the one that is on that bike, with even the same color lead coming off of it. Positive will go to the positive of the coil here. Negative is connected to the one is connected straight from the battery to the spark plug. The other one is connected from the battery, and I'll ground it out on the coil, and then we'll keep an eye out looking for spark. And all I'm going to do is ground it right here, keeping an eye right there looking for spark. And you should see it. Let me rotate you just a little bit. And I'm going to make it a little easier. There you go. You see spark all in there. Back you up a little bit. So that's it. Then just unplug the coil. You don't want to leave your coil hooked up to the battery. You don't want to walk away, leave it. You can leave it hooked up for this test. Just don't leave it hooked up for extended periods of time. You'll cook the coil. Let's see what it looks like with a 12-volt system. I have a 12-volt jump box. I've got it wired to positive, negative on the two wires coming out of the coil. The other negative coming to my spark plug. And then all I have to do is, with this one, I've got to turn the switch, which is going to be grounding. So it makes it a little easier. So keep an eye right there every time I turn the switch. Every time I turn it, we get spark. Simple, easy way to test your coil. and your spark plug wire, and your spark plug cap, and your spark plug for that matter. Go. So guys, this is a simple, easy way to do it. I'm visual, so it helps seeing the spark. It helps me seeing the spark. I know that I can use a multimeter and I can test the leads coming into my coil, and I can determine whether it's good or not. This way I see it actually has spark. So guys, a nice, easy, simple way to test those coils you have laying around. All you need are a couple of leads, a battery, some power source, and a little time. And you get to test the drawer full of, if you're like me, the drawer full of coils to see which ones work and which ones don't. Kind of easy, kind of fun, kind of simple. So guys, let me know down below. What do you do? What are some of your tips and tricks? Some things that your grandfather, your great-grandpappy, whoever it was that told you how to do things, and share them with us. I'd love to hear them. So guys, there you have it. Yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor. Like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.